guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, excuse this background. I'm currently trying to figure out how exactly I want my room. I need a little bit of a change and I really want it to be in front of the window, and there's not a whole lot of light today, but as I'm looking at my viewfinder, I like how everything looks. So just bear with me for a couple of videos. That's really about it. So I'm just trying to figure things out, and I promise I'll get it together. I really wanted to get this video out to you guys because I wanted to send a couple of these lip glosses. I wanted to send a couple of these lip glosses to my mom for Mother's Day, as well as a bunch of other makeup I have for her. But I really wanted to give you, do a lip swatch video because that's one of my favorite videos to film. So that being said, today's video is a lip swatch video. Look at this beautifulness. I'm hoping that they're not gonna fall. These are the brand new Becca Glow Glosses. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm telling you, these are absolutely incredible. So I will have the whole swatch video towards the end of this video. I will leave a timestamp here. But as far as the review goes, these lip glosses are so good. They're so hydrating. They're so pigmented. They're extremely, extremely comfortable. They're not sticky. They are probably one of the best glosses that I've ever tried, and I am not a gloss person. One of their recent launches, I don't even know where it's at actually. I think it's in my little makeup bag because I've been carrying a makeup bag. But I had talked about it on my channel before. It was when they launched their Ocean Jewels highlighter in their palette. They came out with a lip intuitive gloss where it changes the color of your lips, or it just doesn't even change the colors of your lips. It just enhances your lip color, and that formula is absolutely incredible. It is one of my favorite. And then when they came out with this, with these brand new glow glosses, oh my goodness. If you guys love lip glosses, you're going to love these. If you don't like lip glosses and you're trying to get into lip glosses, you're going to love these. When Becca came out with these, I was really, really excited, and I actually was not expecting this when it first came in. So this is a PR package. Becca did send me these products. They're not paying me to review this. They literally just send me some of their PR packages, and I'm always so surprised when they do. So there are 10 glosses. I believe I will leave like how much they cost. I think it's like $20 something, which is not bad for a gloss in my opinion. And one of the main colors, I will tell you, my favorite color of all time, and it's been in my bag since I have gotten this package, is Opal. Opal is my #1 favorite gloss. Then my second one is Tigerlily, right? Yeah, Tigerlily, which is funny because I am actually wearing the Tigerlily blush with Dreamsicle on top. And then my third favorite is Snapdragon, and I love Snapdragon blush. And then my other favorite is the Rose Quartz. That's the one that I've been using a lot the past couple of days, but I haven't tried any of the other ones. I think I tried Camellia, but Camellia might be too pink for me, so I think I'm going to be sending that one to my sister, and then I'm going to be sending some more over to my mom. Now, a lot of these, they are inspired by their Luminous blushes as well as their Shimmering skin perfectors, which is so cool, and I'm so excited for Becca and for them doing this and branching out, and everything that they're coming out with is so creative and it's so innovative, and it's just so cool. And I love being able to see this and seeing these launches because I love them so much. I've loved them way before they even knew who the heck I was, and I've just been a huge fan ever since I saw their display at Sephora when I first walked in. I was awestruck, and I'm just so excited for them. They have become a family to me, and I cherish them so much, and I just love them. You guys know this. So again, I'm not being paid to do this. This is literally me wanting to do this because I'm so excited, and it's the summertime, spring, summer, and this is perfect because a lot of times I will wear no makeup or very little makeup with just a little bit of BB cream, bronzer, and one of these glosses, and I feel good, I feel confident, I feel beautiful, and I'm good to go. Anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoy this review and swatch video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know which one is your favorite down in the comments. And now let's get into this swatch video. Hey guys, just a quick thing. I swatch the lip glosses on my finger because I actually learned this from Carrie Cole. She's the style director for Becca Cosmetics, and she had said that by swatching lip products on your finger, it actually is what it's going to look like on your lips. So that is why I swatch it on my finger, and also because by me swatching it on my finger, the lip swatches, or the actual swatches, look more true to color than on my lips because they're so pigmented from me rubbing it off. Hope that makes sense. Love you guys.